Hello friend, welcome back to Beauty of Fashion. My name is Clones and today we have a fabulous style guide for all you proper fashion lover out there. We are diving the world of women proper skirt outfit that scream front section and charm. So if you ready to lift your wardrobe, stay tuned. Before we jump into the outfit idea, let's talk about some instant proper wardrobe piece: classic white button-down shirt, khaki sweater, and of course the star of your today's show, skirt. Think plaid a line and wardrobe skirt, timeless pattern like plaid and strip skirt. Think plaid a line and wardrobe skirt like plaid and strip. Or first look is all about everyday elegance. Pair a plaid a line skirt with a crisp white button-down shirt. Tuck it in the for a polished look and clinch your waist with a thin built fashion of the ensemble with a pair of loafer or belt flat for that preppy web. For a more laid-back day, go for a casual chic outfit. Grab a crazy cable king sweater and pair it the white with a high-waisted skirt. It colored diamond or raven pattern added the same high sock and a loafer to complete the look. It's a comfortable, cute, and effortlessly preppy. Reading the office, we got you covered for a colored pencil skirt paired with a silk blouse. Throw on a blazer for that professional touch and complete the look with the same classic. From this ensemble is not only chic but also work appropriate. We can call for a more relaxed approach, a stripped or gingham bob skate poured with a tucket in the graphic tee is a perfect choose. Throw on same comfortable sneaker or board shoes and you ready for a weekend filled with the style and comfort. And finally, for this special evening, go for an evening glam look. Choose a midi or maxi skirt in the luxury fabric. Pair it with a skirt, blouse, and don't forget the statement finish out with the same heel. And you're ready to turn head at any you want. And there you have it, a collection of